And today, I'm going to show you how to do a simple, clean waivers haircut on my boy right here. Super fire. So I go in with a number 2 guard, trimming all of his hair down, getting it down to that one desired length. As you guys could tell, the waves is in there. Super crazy. My next step is to create my ball line at the bottom of my vertical bars, creating an open line with my clippers, and then eventually blending that line all the way out to achieve a nice, clean transition and taper within the side panel of this client's taper. Voila, super fire. Next step, I go under that with my Babeless FX trimmers, creating a ball line. Then I'm going to go open, giving myself a 1/2 inch and repeating the same steps I did earlier, using my 1/16 to eventually blend that line out. My next step is to break in with my Babeless FXs, holding the client head, ensuring that I'm creating prominent lines to ensure that the client's lineup will come out as crispy and as precise as possible. A lot of people don't know me on TikTok, but on my YouTube, Get Beamed, I'm a very precise barber. This is what I do. My next step is to go in using my color No Drip, assisting it with my Beam Team cordless compressor. Shout out to all of the guys in the comment section. This is a waterproof color, so we're not worrying about it coming off in the shower. My next step is using a pencil, creating some contrast and concealing the lineup. And this step specifically is for Kodak moments, like women clean their eyebrows up, add fill-in and conceal them. I'm doing the same thing with the haircut, giving it more contrast and a concealed line to give it more pop, flare, and flash. The next step is leaning the client back, angling that razor at a 45-degree angle and bringing everything back to the lineup. And at the end of every wave of haircut, the most important thing you can do is float over the waves, get this thing as smooth as possible. And as you guys can see, I got a picture perfect angle, and voila, that's what it looked like at the end of my haircut. Super precise, bursted, taper, clean line, and so straight it could bend a ruler. Thank you for watching. Love, peace, and blessings, and may God bless.
All right, let me know what you think, bro.
Get out. Nothing wrong with senior citizens. They can make it clap.
I'm done.
Yeah, you hit the mustache. And he did it. And he did it so delicately. He did it so delicately.
This boy a fool.
Crazy.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Usually Barber done cut me up and fuck my shit up.